Well, I think there's a lot of aspiration to have new innovations help people to become more engaged and to transform the way in which healthcare delivery occurs. I think the reality is that it's been slow, and some of that is justified because any of these new innovations we need to validate, we need to understand what they can do. They're, in a way, like drugs and devices. We need to be able to test them in different settings. We need to understand how they go and scale. But the bottom line is that our hope is that technology and innovative thinking will enable us to break the rules of healthcare, to be able to understand what we're doing that we don't need to do and what it is we should be doing that we can do better, in a way to wipe the slate clean. Now, the problem is that we have to deliver care every day. So to be able to implement new innovations in the course of actually delivering care isn't easy. But the hope is that we'll be able to do this. Well, I think one of the things is to begin to realize the possibilities of technology. Almost every other industry has been avid to adopt technology when it gives it a competitive advantage. In healthcare, there's not that evolutionary pressure. These healthcare organizations, largely the ones that are delivering care, have existed and expect to exist, and actually with the current system tend to be doing okay. They have concerns about what the future are, but in the financial side they're still doing okay. So the burning platform, the need to be able to change thinking, to openness to new ways of doing things, hasn't yet really hit the healthcare delivery industry in a way that it should. And so I think the next thing that has to happen is we have to open our minds to the ways in which technology in particular and innovative thinking can actually help us change the workflows, deliver care in a better way, improve the, in a sense, customer experience, ensure that people are getting the very best outcomes, measure what matters so that we know the progress that we're making. I think it's about our mindset. That's really what needs to change. And the technology and the innovations need to serve the needs of people aligned with the business models, because obviously if we don't do that, nothing will be implemented.